If you missed my last video on how to turn your DJI Action 5 Pro into a studio camera, be sure to check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description. But in this video, we're going to cover the top 5 accessories for the DJI Action 5 Pro, which I have laid out right here. The first one I would suggest that you get is the DJI Mic 2, which can connect via Bluetooth to the Action 5 Pro. And now these two are connected. You can see that little green bar up there. Just using the DJI Mic 2 can connect via Bluetooth and get great audio to your Action 5 Pro just with this mic. So I would pick up one of these. If you just have this camera, pick up this for better audio. You can stick it on anywhere, your shirt, your jacket, your backpack, your hat, and get better audio from your camera with it. The next thing I would recommend getting a cage. I would use the cage because you can mount this camera horizontally and vertically with this cage. So if you want to get social media content or stuff like that, getting a cage allows you to mount it in different configuration. Here's a little trick with the original cage on it. You can mount your DJI Mic 2 to the side of your camera just like that. To be able to use this for vlogging and stuff, you don't have to hold the mic. You can just set it up on your camera like that and be able to get some good audio from your DJI Action 5 Pro. Now if you grab an aftermarket cage and one that has a cold shoe mount on the top like this, then you can slip your DJI Mic 2 into the cold shoe, and when you're filming around vlogging stuff, you can show people while having your microphone on top. Then of course you can magnet that to the side. With the mic on the side, you can switch it from while you're vlogging yourself, or you spin it around and just flip that mic around, or you can slip it up into that cold shoe mount on top. Now another accessory I would recommend getting for the DJI Action 5 are some ND filters, because when you want to get some cinematic looking footage with the correct frame rate, doubling your shutter speed to match your frame rate, then when you go outside, it's going to be pretty bright. So you're going to need to pick up some ND filters, and these are going to cut out the light from getting into the sensor of the camera. When you slip these onto the DJI Action 5, it's going to act like sunglasses. It's going to reduce the light getting into the camera, as you can see right here. It's going to reduce the light getting into the camera. You'll be able to capture better quality video using the correct shutter speed and frame rate outdoors when you're in full sunlight, cloudy days, bright days, doesn't matter. You've got a couple different options. I'll leave this link down in the description. I also made a video on this. You can check it out up here. I'll have it linked up there down in the description. Now the last accessory you should get for your DJI Action 5 is this small rig friction arm mount. Put a action mount on the end of this, slap your camera on that. You can mount this anywhere: trees, fences, doors, tables, to car doors, all over the place. This clamp allows you to clamp this arm anywhere, adjust it to any angle, get that set up, and your camera can be mounted anywhere. I use this more than a tripod with this camera, mounting this anywhere. So that's why I didn't include a tripod in these accessories today, because you can get away with just using this friction arm and not need a tripod. But if you do want a tripod, I would pick up just a small tripod for your action camera. I'll have one link down in the description that you can check out. If you're looking for just a tripod to be able to set your camera up and film with it, then I'll leave one down there for you. This is just the tripod off my Ronin gimbal, but I would recommend a smaller one that you can get for these action cameras. It's specifically made for them, and it's got a little telescoping pole that you can get for vlogging, for action sports, for travel films, whatever you are filming with your Action 5 Pro. Hope you enjoyed this video looking at the top 5 accessories: the DJI Mic 2 for better audio, a cage, whether you use the original cage that comes with it or you use an aftermarket cage with that cold shoe mount on it, and ND filters for getting the correct exposure, the correct frame rate and shutter speed with your action camera, and a friction arm for mounting this anywhere you want to. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have the DJI Action 5 Pro, these are the top 5 accessories that I use all the time with this camera to get better footage. Leave a comment down below which accessories you use if you already have some. I'll leave all these linked down in the description. Leave a like, subscribe, and follow along, and I'll see you in this video next.